Want to certify a PDF and verify its authenticity? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to certify a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC quickly and easily. First, open the PDF file you want to certify in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Next, go to the Tools menu and select Certificates. Click Digitally Certify from the Certificates toolbar. Read the prompt and click OK if it appears. Drag your cursor to create a signature area on the document. Select the digital ID you want to use for certification. Choose the certification options, such as whether changes are allowed after the document is certified. Click Continue. Enter your digital ID password if prompted. Click Sign and choose a location to save the certified PDF. Adobe Acrobat will apply the certification signature and save the document. Once completed, you'll see a certification indicator showing that the PDF has been certified and protected against unauthorized changes. And that's it. You've successfully certified a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.